Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic. You know those days when you just need a precise, no-fuss eyeliner that stays put? Well, today I'm testing the Maybelline Hyper Easy Liquid Pen Eyeliner, which promises to be the answer to smudges and skips. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This eyeliner is designed to give you a flawless, smooth application with zero skips, thanks to its innovative flex tip brush. It's got a sleek, custom hexagonal grip that offers great control and stability, perfect for when you need precision. Whether you're going for a subtle line or a bold cat eye, the formula promises to glide on effortlessly, delivering pitch black color that stays in place for up to 24 hours. So let's dive into how it performs. I've been using this liner for a couple of weeks now, and it's quickly become a staple in my routine. The flex tip brush? It's as good as they say. I could feel the difference in control right away. Unlike some liquid liners that feel a bit wobbly or hard to guide, this one almost hugs the shape of your eye. It's ideal for anyone who struggles with uneven application, and I love that it's especially easy to work with on my hooded eyelids. When it comes to wear time, I tested it during both my usual busy day and even through a workout. And guess what? No smudging, no fading. It stayed put for a full 12 hours. And I didn't see any transfer onto my upper eyelids, a huge win for anyone with oily skin or hooded eyes. Plus, the color is super intense. I'm talking pitch black drama that doesn't fade throughout the day. But of course, no product is perfect. One downside I noticed is that it can take a minute to fully dry down, so you have to be cautious right after application. If you blink too soon, it might transfer slightly. But the payoff is so worth it once it's set. It's long-lasting, and I didn't experience any cracking or flaking. Now let's talk value for money. The Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner is priced competitively, especially for the performance it delivers. It's a drugstore brand, which is fantastic because you get the quality without the luxury price tag. Considering how long it lasts, both in terms of wear and the amount of product in the pen, I'd say it's definitely worth the investment if you're looking for an eyeliner that doesn't break the bank. Compared to other eyeliners at this price point, it definitely holds its own. It rivals other high-end formulas with its waterproof finish, intense color payoff, and easy application. Some other liners may be more expensive, but for the price, this one does the job just as well, if not better. As for packaging, it's sleek, compact, and easy to store in your makeup bag. The pen itself is well made, and the cap clicks shut, ensuring no accidental leaks. Always a plus when you're traveling. One of the best things about Maybelline, in my experience, is their customer service. I've interacted with their team a few times, and they're always responsive and helpful. If there are ever any issues with the product, you know they'll make it right. Now, let's say you're on the lookout for something a bit cheaper. While I think this eyeliner offers great value, if you're working on a tighter budget, you could check out some other drugstore options, like the L'Oreal Infallible Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner. It's got similar features and performance, though I think the Maybelline formula is a bit more flexible and easier to work with. To wrap things up, the Maybelline Hyper Easy Liquid Pen Eyeliner is hands down one of the best liquid liners I've tried. It's easy to apply, long-lasting, and delivers bold, smudge-proof color. If you're after a reliable eyeliner for everyday wear, or even a dramatic look, this one's definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.